The verse, be on your guard. Stand firm in the faith. Be courageous, be strong, comes from First Epistle to the Corinthians 16:13. It is a powerful message, encouraging believers to live with spiritual awareness, faith, courage, and strength. Here is a beautiful explanation. Life is not always peaceful. Every day, people face temptations, doubts, fears, and difficulties. Because of this, the Bible reminds us to be on our guard. This means we must stay spiritually awake and careful. Just as a watchman protects a city by staying alert at night, a believer must stay alert in faith so that sin, lies, and discouragement do not quietly enter the heart. The verse then says, stand firm in the faith. Faith is the foundation of a Christian's life. Many voices in the world try to shake our belief in God, but standing firm means refusing to move away from the truth. It means trusting God even when life becomes difficult, when prayers seem unanswered, or when people around us lose hope. Faith becomes strong when we hold tightly to God's promises. Next, the verse says, be courageous. Courage in the Bible does not mean the absence of fear. It means choosing to trust God even when fear is present. Many believers in the Bible had moments when they were afraid, but they continued to follow God anyway. Courage is the strength to live righteously, speak truth, and remain faithful even when it is unpopular or difficult. Finally, the verse says, be strong. This strength is not only physical strength, it is spiritual strength that comes from trusting God. When a person relies on God, their heart becomes steady even during storms of life. God gives inner strength that helps believers endure suffering, forgive others, and continue doing good. Together, this verse is a call to live a life that is alert, faithful, brave, and spiritually strong. It reminds believers that the Christian journey requires vigilance and courage. But with God's help, they can remain firm no matter what challenges come. In simple words, the verse is telling us, stay spiritually awake. Hold firmly to your faith in God. Do not let fear control you. Receive strength from God to endure and overcome. It is a reminder that a believer's life is not meant to be weak or fearful, but strong, faithful, and courageous in God. The verse, be on